Self-destruct sequence activated.
Hey everyone, Josh bringing you another update right now. You kind of hearing right now, I got both machines running right now, and here they are right here. I got the Balam one to work, I got this one, they're both going as crazy. I did print out something last night. It took about 8 hours to 9 hours to print, and basically what I just got done printing was the most disappointment of my life. And check this out. Now, you guys are probably wondering what this is. This is actually a fan cover for that printer right here. I'm kind of printing out again to see what will happen, but I don't know what happened, but I don't know if, but it's just like coming apart. And it's like falling apart right there. I mean, I'm peeling it apart right now. And you kind of hear what I'm talking about. I mean, see, it says no, it has the No Ghost logo on it. But look at that. I mean, you can see that is not that good. It's very thin. I don't know why it's thin. I don't know if that's the file itself or not. I'm not for sure. But this here was a big disappointment. I was so upset with this right here. So what I happened to got done doing is I've been printing this out a little bit right here. Leveling the bed a little bit to see what will happen, and well, it's printing out right now. But I did happen, however, how to get a file from the computer and put it onto there. I finally figured that out. So I got some SD cards right here. I'm going to go ahead and show you guys of how to do this. So let's get started. Okay, now the first thing you want to do is you want to go ahead and open up your files. But also you want to go ahead and put the SD card in right here. Make sure it's the unlock mode right there. That way. Now I'm going to go ahead and insert the card. As you see, there's no files on the card. So that's good. Now the next thing you want to do is go to whatever you want to print. And basically, I think I'm going to go ahead and print out. I don't know why I got doubles on here. See if I can go ahead and. Let's see. We'll go ahead and open up this file. Now, this file that I'm opening right now, I actually got it downloaded into this right here. It's supposed to be this. Now, you guys will see it. It'll just take some time. Okay, that took a little bit longer than I expected, but here's what I've been trying to print this whole entire time. So, I do want to tune this up a little bit, so we'll go ahead and go quality. Maybe we'll just go to 2 to make it more thicker. go ahead and do process while slicing. Now here's the one point you want to go ahead and make sure you get this right. Now, before you even save it, before you do anything with it, this is what you want to do. Okay, come on. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. 12 hours. Wow. That would take 12 hours to do. Well, go ahead and push save to file. Now, here's what you want to do. It says this right here. You want to change it to G code and save. Processing done. Now, basically, guys, that's all you have to do. You have to make sure you save it and make sure it's on their G file, or else they will not work. So something's wrong with that printer. I might have to change it. Making sure I get this over here now. So you guys, hope you guys like that little demonstration of how to save a 3D file and put it on an SD card and put it on this right here. So you kind of do see that I do got that one down there is working perfectly. This one is acting up a little bit. I might have to fix it a little bit. But hope you guys liked the video, and don't forget to hit subscribe if you haven't already, and also hit that like button. And also pretty soon we'll be 3D printing some excellent projects, so hope you guys enjoy it, and stay safe out there, you guys, and take care.